you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back, honey. And if you have not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that button down below and hit the bell next to it so that you are notified every time I upload. Yes, honey, you are seeing this correct, honey. We have gotten back to the middle part. I actually missed it. This was not planned like at all, but I'm so glad that it happened. Like, I really am. So I hope you guys are ready for this video, honey. We are going to be doing a updated wash routine for my locks. They turned out so well. So if you are interested in seeing how I wash my locks, go ahead and stay tuned. All right, you guys, so we are going to get started. We are going to rinse the hair. You guys already know this. We're going to rinse the hair, get it wet really good, and then we're going to immediately go in with the shampoo and then the conditioner. We want to get it clean really good, so we're going to lather it up really well with the shampoo, rinse that out, and then go with the conditioner. Y'all know how to wash hair, honey. But look at this brand. This is what I'm using, the organic coconut and oil. I love this brand. If you've been watching my recent lock videos, you know I went back to the products that worked on my natural curly hair, and baby, it was a game changer, okay? These products work really well on my hair, so just stay tuned to see how I style it. Ooh, honey, look at that hair just glistening and shining, honey. Now we're about to go in with the coconut miracle oil, and it really is a miracle, honey, because it really repairs damaged hair, makes it back looking silky and shiny, real smooth. I love everything about these products because it gives my hair exactly what it needs. So that's what I'm doing now, putting in all the conditioner. And something else that I found out is that when you rinse out the conditioner, you should use cold water because it closes the hair cuticles and pores in the scalp. And this process helps add luster and shine to your hair. So you want to make sure that when you're rinsing out your conditioner, ladies, that you are using cold water, honey, okay? We want all the shine. so now that we are done washing the hair, you see me with this t-shirt. I know you like, what in the world? What you have to do with this t-shirt? Honey, we about to put this t-shirt on our head, okay? It is so much better to dry your hair with a t-shirt cotton material than a towel because it reduces the frizziness and breakage of your hair. So I am just putting this t-shirt on my head through the neck hole of the shirt, and then I'm just gonna wrap it up, honey, let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna get to styling. Okay, y'all, so now it is time to moisturize the hair and style. So the first thing I always do is put some tea tree oil and water on my scalp. It's pure 100% tea tree oil, so you want to make sure you dilute it with water, honey. So that is what I just did. That right there is my Shea Moisture Shine Mist that I'm going to be putting on my hair afterwards. I take it out of the original bottle and put it in that spray bottle because, honey, y'all already know that spray bottle is bomb.com. So that is what I am doing now. Okay, honeys, do not trip out, okay? I have used Eco Styler Gel for a long time, and remember my old lock videos, I said I went back to using the products that I use on my curly hair, and Eco Styler Gel was one of them. Now, it has to be the green one for my hair anyway. Doesn't leave any flakes, doesn't get all sticky, doesn't, leave any residue or anything like that in my hair. And I only put this on once after I wash my hair just to style it. I do not use this on a daily basis. I would not recommend it. Some people would say they don't recommend using gel at all. You have to do what works for you and your locks, honey. And Eco Styler Gel works for my locks. Like I said, I do not use them on a daily basis. I would not do that. But for this purpose, styling my hair after washing my hair, it's great. I use the Eco Styler Gel on my hair so that it can lock in the moisture and seal it really good. Then it also helps with frizziness from after it being washed. And then I just blow dry it to kind of go ahead and help it dry up a little bit so that it can keep my locks looking defined. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions or have any tips or advice or anything, make sure you go ahead and leave them down below. I love engaging with you guys. If you haven't noticed, I got on my little fancy little onesie. Love it, love it, love it. If that video isn't out already, go ahead and stay tuned, honey. Savage X Fenty and other loungewear pieces, that is going to be in the haul. Shout out to Shay, my subscriber, my loyal subscriber, honey. She suggested I do that. So if you haven't already seen that video, and if it ain't out yet, stay tuned. But if it is, go watch. All right, I love you guys so much. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.